In fast-paced environment like manufacturing and warehousing, precision and organization are essential. Operations rely heavily on coordinated shifts, accurate reporting, and efficient time tracking. Fareclock helps streamline these complex needs with the following features. Set structured shift plans by department to minimize downtime and ensure coverage across all operations. Capture specific data like equipment inspections or shift notes during clock in or out to support compliance and internal procedures. Generate accurate payroll summaries with detailed tracking of hours by job, department, or individual worker. Simplify requests and approvals for leave while maintaining visibility across teams. Keep tabs on attendance in real time, ensuring all staff are present and accounted for. Provide workers flexibility with clock-in options like facial recognition for security, PIN, QR code, or NFC tags for speed and simplicity. Review and manage time cards by department for better insights and workforce management.